So, guys, you welcome, and I wish you a happy new year. So, today we're going to learn how to fix why Google app is not working in my phone. So, if Google app is really not working, then this video is in for you. So, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, then you try to search for your phone settings. After that, tap on it. So, after tapping on it, what you have to do is to tap on the apps and notifications. After tapping on it, next is tap on see all apps, but you have to wait for it to load. After loading, you're going to see it, so tap on it. So after tapping on it, you have to search for Google app. So let's wait, it's loading. So after loading, tap over here at the search bar at the top, then it's searching for Google. So as you can see, this is the Google app. So when you tap on the Google app, what you have to do is to tap on the full stop, then you tap on OK. After that, you have to make sure the notification is really on. So you get it on like this, make sure everything is on over here. So as you can see, all notifications are on. It's really important. And next is to check the permissions. So as you can see, all the permissions are allowed. So the ones that are denied, you have to allow everything. So physical activity, make sure it's all allowed. So after allowing everything, you go back, then you check your storage and cache, clear the cache, and tap on clear storage. Then you tap on clear all, data over here. I mean, tap this one, tap on this one. So after tapping on it, go back, then you also check the mobile data and Wi-Fi, make sure it's well toggled on. So after doing all this, what you have to do next is to go back to your Google Play Store. um, Google Play Store. So then you search in for Google app, and as you can see, this is Google app. Then when you tap in the Google app, you have to make sure it's having updates. So when it gets the new update, it's not going to lag itself again. It's not going to um, it's going to work perfectly for you. It's everything is going to work. So you tap on update. So after tapping on update, you wait for it to move from pending to 0, then it start from 0 to 100. So after that, it's going to reinstall on your device successfully. So after doing this, what you have to do lastly is to restart your device. So as you can see, it's around 0. So now it's moving to 11, so 24. So you wait for it to reach 100%. After reaching 100%, going to reinstall and get it successful. I don't want the video to be long, so let's end over here. So after doing all this, then don't open it, just tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart or reboot, then you tap on OK, and everything is going to restart. And after restarting, you're going to see that it's going to work perfectly. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.